My message today is that wellness matters, but it must be layered on top of a baseline of things like human rights, dignity, and freedom from discrimination. This is probably familiar to many of you. Maybe you face racism or sexism, or maybe you've experienced homelessness or some form of discrimination or hate in your own lives. I believe, personally, that all of us can do more to educate ourselves about how society works. Maybe consider a new podcast or great novel, or hey, even a sociology course to get you thinking critically. Perhaps consider fighting for a cause you believe in. But with all that thinking about justice and injustice, you are going to need balance. Hence, back to those hobbies. Personally, I discovered during the pandemic that I love woodworking. Here's a small bedside table that I made. I find that woodworking lets me get out of my head a bit and to be creative. That's my advice then. Fight for a better society and take care of your health and well-being.